Pass your GCSE maths exams in 4 weeks with Math Genie Video Tutor. Hi parents. This can be very frustrating. Are you tired of watching your child struggle with GCSE maths? Do you want to give them the extra help they need to ace their exams? Look no further. Introducing the Math Genie Video Tutor. Our video tutor is specifically designed to help students pass their GCSE maths exams with flying colors in just 4 weeks. It's a video course that covers all the key topics they'll need to know to earn a top grade, with step-by-step tutorials and easy-to-follow examples. The Math Genie Video Tutor is taught by an experienced teacher and math expert who know exactly what students need to succeed. Students will learn how to tackle even the toughest problems with confidence and ease. Not only that, but the course is completely self-paced, so students can learn at their own speed. They'll never have to worry about falling behind or feeling overwhelmed, because the Math Genie Video Tutor is always there to help. So why wait? Give your child this gift of success today. Get the Math Genie Video Tutor now and watch as your child become the maths genius they were always meant to be. Get the Math Genie Video Tutor today.